Are the Nike Air Max 96 COMME des Garçons a hit or a miss? Nike and COMME des Garçons usually have very polarizing collaborations, and the Nike Air Max 96 fall right into that line. They take an Air Max 96 and remove the Air Max from it? I don't really know why they would do that, and what's the point of an Air Max with no Air Max? The sneaker is coming spring and summer 2025, and people are not too happy about these. I love their twist on their Nike Air Foamposite 1 with that little Zen garden thing they had going on, but I also couldn't get them because the price was $500. So the question is, how much do these Air Max 96s cost, and will that cost even be worth it because they're not an Air Max? If you didn't know, now you know. But these sneakers debuted a few days ago during Paris Fashion Week. Like I said, the Air Max is gone, and they replaced it with a very big foam midsole outsole that was taken from a Nike ISPA sneaker. I'm not too sure which sneaker it was though. I'm a little disappointed with this sneaker, but hey, in a few days, in a few months, I could come to like them. But if that price tag is too high, I really don't even care for them. Let me know down below, what do you think about the COMME des Garçons Air Max 97? Are you copping? Are you dropping? What do you even think about them removing the Air Max from a shoe? I don't think I've ever seen a Nike Air Max sneaker have their Air Max removed, especially from a collaborator, not even Nike doing it themselves. But once again, let me know, do you like these? Are they a cop or a drop? Let's get into it.